Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts in MailChimp. So first thing you need to do is open up your MailChimp website and then log in your account. Once you log in your account, click on this create button. From here, simply select this regular email and click on this design email button. After this is the window you are going to see. So from here, simply fill up all the details such as to, from, and your email subject, and then your email send time. And once you fill up all of these details, simply click on this design email button right next to contacts tab. So simply click on design email, and after this you need to select a template. So simply select the template that you like. So I'm going to select this first one, and once you do that, it will give you many options to edit your email. So to add custom fonts, what you need to do is simply select the text and then go to this font option, and then you can select the custom font you want. If you want to add more fonts other than that, what you need to do is just go to the Google Fonts website, and from there simply select the font that you like, and then simply click on this get font button, and from here simply click on this get embedded code, and after this simply copy this text after the font family text. So simply copy this text, then go back to MailChimp, and then simply click on this source button, and from here simply you need to add here style, and then just enter font family, and then paste the text you have copied from the Google Fonts. So once you do that, your font will be changed, and that's it, how you can add custom fonts in MailChimp. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.